Hi there, students. Breathtaking, an adjective. Breathtakingly, the adverb. So, breathtaking, stunningly beautiful, amazing, astounding, inspiring, exciting, surprising, shocking. She is breathtakingly beautiful. The view is breathtaking. He ran at breathtaking speed. The quality of the food was breathtaking. It was amazingly good. She danced with breathtaking agility. So notice all of these examples I've given you are positive, but you can use it for neutral or even negative things as well, although it's most common to use it positively. They showed breathtaking stupidity. The ignorance was breathtaking. It was amazing, it was astounding, but astoundingly bad. They were breathtakingly rude to me. I couldn't believe it. So let's see. A breathtaking view. This is a common collocation. At breathtaking speed. This is another common collocation. Yeah? He drove with breathtaking speed. He drove breathtakingly fast. We can also use it to mean thrilling or exciting. It was a breathtaking match. It was a breathtaking race. We were really excited about it. So breathtaking, amazing, astonishing, exciting, brilliant, impressive, thrilling, magnificent, awesome, shocking, exhilarating as well. So, the actors gave a breathtaking performance. The view was breathtaking. It was breathtakingly beautiful. I think English sometimes is breathtakingly difficult. So, your next question, what about formality? I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. I think it's flexible and you could use it anywhere, particularly informal and semi-formal. I think maybe for something very formal you could use it, but I think amazing, shocking, surprising, something like that. And the origin, well, when something's amazing you go you gasp. It takes your breath away. Yeah? Take your breath away. Something that takes your breath away, something that's amazing, it's incredible. So, breathtaking, it makes you gasp, it takes your breath away. So, there are a breathtaking number of videos in my channel. Anyway, enough. Breathtaking, breathtakingly, amazing, incredible, stunning, thrilling, shocking. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Breathtaking, breathtakingly.